guys, hello. How you all doing? Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So it's a long weekend. It's Saturday and Monday's off and it's pretty cold outside but a little bit sunny, which is nice. This winter's been strange, weird for some reason. So me and Cinderella, and by Cinderella I mean Cinderella. So me and Cinderella have been pretty sedentary this winter, mostly because of the cold, but also because of the wind. I can tolerate cold, but I can't tolerate wind. Anyway, so because of the long weekend, I thought we should get out of the house and explore some new city. So I booked an Airbnb in Kingston. It's a small to medium sized city, but it has this small town feel, which I like. So I've never been there before, but I've heard pretty good things about Kingston. Mostly in the summers, though, not so much in the winter, because patios are closed, parks are snowy. But I wanted to get out, so I booked that Airbnb and we are going. We'll see what we can do in winters there. So buckle up and join me on my trip to Kingston.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Finally made it to Kingston. I checked during my coffee break and saw there was an original haunted walk tour at 7:15 tonight. We got in around 7 and finding parking was a nightmare. But we eventually found a spot and made it just in time. Let's see what it was like.
You had 2 employees who have been charged with steam cleaning a large carpet in a hall on the second floor.
Spooked and tired, we finally made it to our Airbnb. It was small and cozy, really close to downtown. Perfect place to relax after the day. Let's give you an Airbnb tour. It's pretty nice, cool, small, but cozy place. Good morning from Kingston. I slept so well last night. It's a pretty comfortable bed. Pretty quiet Airbnb. My place is not quiet. There's so much construction and renovations all the time. It's not quiet at all. And here, this Airbnb is so quiet. Although I always thought that anything in the basement would not be quiet because you can hear noise from upstairs, but no. I slept like a baby, me and Cinderella both. You know what? Yesterday, while driving here, around midway, I got this feeling that is something with my car is wrong, particularly with the oil. It just suddenly occurred to me that it's been very long since I changed the oil. And by very long, I mean not too long, but long. So, but there was no light on the dash, there was no indicator that it's running out of oil, anything like that. But I just had this feeling. So I started fidgeting with the menu and I realized I was at 5% oil life and I still had a long way to go. But 5% was still, it's not good, but I knew my car won't stop. Then I checked the oil temperature and it was still fine. So I was like, okay, the temp is still fine. And then I kept looking at it. And while I was close to this Airbnb, it went down to 4%. And I was like really stressed about it because there is no way I can go back now. My car would definitely stop. It's long weekend, so it's very hard to find anything. Today is Sunday, but I did see there's a Mr. Lube nearby, which is open and it's close enough that I can get there without my car ditching on me. So that would be my first stop today.
Took a chance on a good thing, yeah. Now I got you on my right wing. Making love like it's casual. And you text me in the morning, you're available. Am I dreaming? Can't believe I forgot this feeling. Finally found the one in my life that I wanna be with. No more seeking. I'm sure I'll always choose you first. You're my baby, it's true. You're so damn worth it. There's no one like you. Yeah, too rare to find. Cause you're one of a kind.
Pro tip for traveling with dogs. So now that I'm leaving for cafe hopping and things like that on the Princess Street, I'm leaving Cinderella in the Airbnb. So here are some things which we do to make sure that Cinderella is comfortable. First, I don't leave her on the first night that we arrive, and I usually try to arrive at night. If not, then I spend at least 2 to 3 hours in the place with her so she's comfortable. And what I do the next day is leave TV on. So I usually put my YouTube, and on YouTube there are many dog TV things available. So we do that. And then I usually bring a sniffing mat, but I don't have it today. I forgot to bring it. So I had to makeshift a sniffing mat for her, which I did. And I hid some treats for her there. So when I go, she'll be busy with this. And this is kind of a reward. So she starts associating this place with positive things. Third tip, the clothes I wear yesterday, I don't wash them or anything, and I leave them on the couch so she has something that smells like me and she will stay calm and quiet and stay on top of the clothes usually. So there's that. If you're traveling with dog, you can do that too. And of course, fourth, bring toys. I bring toys from home. I have 3 or 4 here. I can only see one because I'm pretty sure they are under the bed or somewhere. But bring toys and leave the lights on, leave water, things like that, normal stuff. And usually the dog stays very comfortable. You get the drill. All right, Cinderella, love you.
I'm always trying my best. 내게 원하던 대로. But our just one. 이제 나를 알아보겠어 No one can truly see inside 넌 말해 I understand you 살며시 숨을 보내도 지나온 날이 무색하게
Oi, Cinderella, come, let's go out. Come, come on, come on, come on. Bye bye, Kingston.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal
Okay, so we are back home now. It was honestly better than I expected. I really thought there would be nothing to do in Kingston this time of the year, but I'm happy to say it wasn't the case. You know, winters can get so sedentary at times, and it's just nice to get in your car and drive somewhere new and explore something, be it only for a couple of days. I really honestly enjoyed the haunted walk. I do that in pretty much every city I visit. So if you are going to Kingston, this one was very good. You should definitely put it in your itinerary. All in all, I'm happy I did this. It was nice, relaxing, good weekend. And now it's time for me to rest a bit, run some errands, and prep for the week ahead. And I'll see you guys in the next video to another destination. Till then, take care.